to connect my WhatsApp with AI. But doing that manually seems very time consuming, and I might need coding and programming skills in order to achieve that goal. Like, there is any solution to this so that I can create amazing WhatsApp AI chatbots that will automatically reply the queries and I can create that bot without need of any coding and programming skills? Yes, guys, this is possible. You can connect your OpenAI with WhatsApp using the software Pabbly Chatflow. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, let me show you how I've created the connection between OpenAI and WhatsApp in such a way that I have created an amazing chatbot that resolves all the queries I receive from my leads on WhatsApp. So without wasting any further time, let me show you how this amazing AI-powered WhatsApp chatbot is going to work in real time. I will act as a customer towards this bot, ask some difficult questions, and let's see whether I receive the replies from this bot or not. Okay, so my first question is a reseller without GST wants to place a trial order and later scale. What limitations and advantages apply in both phases? So this is my first question I'm asking towards this bot. Now let's wait and see how this bot will reply to this question. And this is the message that I have received. Short answer, yes, you can place a trial order without GST. It's designed for low investment testing. Commercial benefits, these are the benefits, kick in the scale or registered GST. Over here, you can see the advantages and limitations are mentioned to this question that I have asked. Now after this, I have another question, that is, if a Delhi-based retailer orders stock but in Delhi warehouse it's out of inventory, how will logistics likely to be handled? So this is another question I'm asking towards this bot right here. I will wait for the reply for this bot to send back to me. And I have received the reply. Urban will confirm stock before accepting the order. If the Delhi warehouse is out, route the order from another warehouse nearest available. That can add some transmit time, but the company will coordinate shipment and share expected dispatch delivery windows. And you can see right over here, steps are given as well to the answer of this question. Now, as I have received the reply successfully, this is how this AI assistant that we have created by connecting our WhatsApp with OpenAI is going to help your customers' queries to be resolved instantly. Now without wasting any time, let me show you how you can create this AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using the amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. Now in order to browse Pabbly Chatflow on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/chatflow and the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow is going to appear in front of you. Now if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time, simply sign up for free from here, with the help of which you will get 100 free credits every month in order to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. Simply test out the features, and if you like using Pabbly Chatflow, you want to create amazing WhatsApp chatbots or AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow, what you can do is you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plans. With the help of this code on the left side, you will get instant discount while checking out and purchasing our yearly or lifetime plans of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay? Now I am already a user, so I will directly sign in from here. Then you will come to the All Pabbly app section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will access it from here. Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is then going to appear in front of you. In order to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow account and what are the features and how all the features works, you can check out all the video links I've added in the description section below. Okay? Now, as I want to create an AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow, that means connect my OpenAI with WhatsApp, we have to create an AI assistant from this AI assistant section. Then you will come to the AI assistant section right over here, on which click on this add AI assistant button. Now you have to name your assistant right here. For the name of my assistant, I will write over here as new AI assistant and add the assistant from here. As soon as I will do that, the assistant will be added in my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now there are certain sections in order to create this AI assistant that we are going to learn how you can set up. First, you have to select our AI instruction type. For the instruction type, I will select it as AI agent. You can select another instruction type according to your requirement. Next is instructions. Over here in this section, roles and responsibilities of this type will be entered automatically. If you want to edit, add or eliminate any of the points right here, you can definitely do that. Okay. Now next is AI configuration. First is temperature. temperature is a range of 0 and 1. It's between 0 and 1. 0 being very focused replies and 1 being creative replies from the assistant towards our customer, leads or clients. So now I want focused as well as creative replies from this assistant towards all the queries. So that is why for the temperature I will set it as 0.5. AI to use. As I want to connect my OpenAI with WhatsApp, AI to use, I will select over here as OpenAI. Currently we have the option of OpenAI only. And for the model, I will select it as GPT-5 mini. You can select any other OpenAI model according to your requirement. Next, you have to enter the API key that you will find in your OpenAI account. As we are connecting our OpenAI to WhatsApp, that's why we need the API key to build this connection. For that, simply go towards this hyperlink directly, and as you will do that, you will log into your OpenAI account API keys page. After coming to this page directly, go to this create button. You have to name your key. Let's suppose for the name of my key, I will give it as new key right here. So let me give the name. Project, I'll select it as default. Permission, give all the permissions. Create the key. As you will see, the key has been generated. You will see the token is there. I will copy it, paste it down in the field and click on this connect button. That is how you build the connection between WhatsApp and OpenAI. Now after the connection has been created, next is AI Assistant settings, under which first is header footer message. So if you want with the messages that this AI Assistant is forwarding, you want to add in the footer message or the header message, you can toggle these button on and enter the message according to your requirement. Next is stop keywords. So if you want to give your customers an option to stop this assistant that is automatically replying to the queries, we want to give the option to your customers or leads that you can send this specific word and stop this assistant from replying. You can enter the stop keyword right over here according to your requirement. Next is retry attempt. If you want that, you can toggle this button on. And last is fallback message that will be only forwarded if this API key is not responding correctly. Okay. So now setting up our first section, let's move on to our next one, that is knowledge source. Very important section. So we are training an AI about the business so that AI will automatically resolve the queries of your customers. But how can we train this AI? How can I tell this AI about my business? This AI is going to learn about my business and then resolve queries. That is where knowledge source, a very important part of this AI assistant, is going to appear. Knowledge source is actually the source from where AI is learning about your business, where we have to upload a knowledge base, a document, where you have explained in detail what your business is all about. In this video, for an example, I've taken a wholesale clothing manufacturer and distributor, where my business name is Urban Weave Clothing Co. I have explained what my business is all about. I've explained the policies, what is the profile, what is the portfolio of all the product. I have explained in very much detail of what my business is all about using this document. Now, as in detail I've explained everything in this document, we have to upload this document where? In our knowledge sources section. For that, click on this button. And you have to add the file from here. I'm going to click right over here. My file is the name of knowledge source Urban Weave Clothing Co. I will open it and upload this file. And as I will upload the file, I will select it and insert the file over here in the knowledge source section. Within few seconds, you will see that automatically the file is going to appear in the knowledge sources section. You will see the vector ID. That means the file has been uploaded. Now using the file, this AI is going to learn about your business, is going to be trained about your business and resolve the queries. Okay. Next is assistant interface. Now what is assistant interface? Assistant interface and styling. These two sections are necessary for those business owners who are trying to add this AI assistant on their website. So now let's suppose you have a website. You want, a support button like this. You can see a support button is right over here. You want a support button just like this on your website, where directly as customer is going to click right here in the chat, they will be forwarded towards this AI assistant help. So now how can we do that? How can you add that? Pabbly Chatflow lets you do that as well. Assistant interface, if you want to change this, like let's suppose I want to add my brand name right here. What is my brand name? It's Urban Weave Clothing Co. So what I'll do is simply update the heading Urban Weave Clothing Co. like this. Okay. Now after that, if you want to change the line, add an initial message, enable Discovered powered by Pabbly, add in a footer link like this, change the text or link. You can select all the things from this interface section. Last is user's first message. So let's suppose the customer is directly read it, contact towards this AI assistant. What is the first usual message that your bot usually receive? You have to enter that first user message in this section. I will leave it as I need help. Last is styling. If you have a business, you have your own branded colors that signifies your business. You can change the colors, backgrounds, profile pictures, shapes, themes, all according to your requirement from the styling section, which I do not want, so I will skip the part. Now let's activate this assistant that we have created. For the toggle button on and save the assistant from here. As soon as you will do that, it will say assistant saved successfully. Assistant has been activated inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. Now what if I want to add this assistant on the website? How can we do that? Go to embedded, find the script, copy the script, paste it on your website code. Assistant will be added on your website as well. Assistant has been created. That means OpenAI is connected to our WhatsApp, and by creating the connection, an amazing assistant has now been created. Now without wasting any time, let me test this assistant again. What I am going to do is, towards the assistant, I will ask another question and check whether this assistant is replying to that question correctly or not. So let me ask my last question towards this AI assistant. My question is, a retailer wants to place an order of 120 mixed products across men's, women's categories with customization. What pricing adjustments, MOQ rules and lead times will apply simultaneously? So this is my last question, a bit difficult question I'm asking towards this assistant to see how this assistant is going to analyze the question and how it will answer towards the customer. So that is why I've asked this question towards this bot about my business. I will wait over here for a few seconds for this assistant to respond back to me. Okay, so I will wait. I have received the response. Your 120 mixed order meets the customization minimum 100 piece and falls into 101 to 300 unit discount slab, which is 5% off, but you must still respect per design MOQs and expect customization lead time plus normal shipping time. Details, what will apply simultaneously. You will see all the rules and everything has been mentioned. A very briefed and detailed answer has been forwarded from this assistant towards this customer who has asked the question. That was me. So as I've received this reply, which is according to the business policies as well as it is according to the question that I've asked, this means this assistant has now been created. Now, if you want, this assistant should automatically be enabled on all the chats, all the contacts who sends you the message. If you want to all the contacts, all the chats, this assistant should automatically send the replies. In case of that, go to settings and inbox settings section. You will come to this page. You have to scroll down till the end. You will find the option of AI auto reply settings. Enable this option, select the contact list and select the assistant from the drop down and save the rule. To all the contacts, this assistant will be automatically enabled. With that, if you want to a single contact, this AI assistant should be automatically enabled. For that, go to inbox, select the chat to whom you want to assign this AI assistant to, toggle this button on of this choose AI assistant. Toggle this button on of this choose AI assistant, then select the assistant from the drop down. This AI assistant will be automatically enabled to the specific chat right here. So this is how this amazing assistant is created using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have questions or doubts related to this assistant, you have to comment down below. I will reply to all your queries as soon as possible. With that, if you want the discount coupon code, it is also added in the description section. You will find it on the left side of the screen as well. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.